from Benue State. I also represent the very faint voice of the unemployed. I rise this afternoon to bring a motion. Nigeria, particularly in Benue State, led to internally displaced of thousands of people currently housed in the various IDP camps across the state. Aware that the crisis has gained notoriety, that the Global Terrorism Index reported that about 8,000 people were killed between 2010 and 2013, and about 1,229 killed in 2014, with most fatalities occurring in the Benue Valley, which is the north-central state, and particularly in Benue State. Cognizant that about 483,699 persons have been displaced in Benue State due to the ravaging herders-farmers conflict, leading to the establishment of 8 IDP camps in Guma, Makudi, Agatu, Logo, Buruku, Okpoku, Gwe West, and Kwande local government areas of the state. Also aware that the camps in Kwande house not only displaced persons from Benue State and neighboring state, but also citizens of the Republic of Cameroon. Worried by the vulnerability of children and women frequently exploited at the camps, leading to sexual perversion, harassment, and other antisocial behaviors. Further worried that the situation in Benue State has resulted in a human crisis of about 102,000 children of school age being out of school due to lack of access to schools in the various IDP camps. Disturbed that the camp is characterized by poor hygiene, resulting in outbreak of disease such as cholera and other communicable diseases that put the lives of about 34,986 displaced persons at risk and complicating life in the camps. Regret that the pathetic situation of the IDP camps in Benue State came to the fore during the visit of the Vice President to the state during one of the crises in 2018, wherein he announced the federal government approval of 10 billion naira for rebuilding the areas affected by the crisis, rehabilitation, resettlement, and integration of the traumatized victims to their ancestral communities. Further regret that over a year after the visit of the Vice President, the approved sums have not been released, thereby further compounding the plight of the displaced persons in the camp who are now dying of hunger, as manifested in the recent death of 8 persons in the Mbawa IDP camps in Guma local government of Benue State. Concerned that if urgent steps are not taken to rebuild the destroyed infrastructure, such as schools, hospitals, and markets, among others, to resettle the displaced and traumatized persons, a situation of state of neglect and helplessness will be created, thereby defeating the primary purpose of government as enshrined in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended. I therefore pray that the House resolve to 1, urge the National Commission for Refugees, Migrants, and Internally Displaced Persons to liaise with the Benue State Emergency Management Agency, SEMA, to ensure the disengagement and resettlement of internally displaced persons in the camp across the state. 2, mandate the Committee on Internally Displaced Persons to liaise with the National Commission for Refugees, Migrants, and Internally Displaced Persons to facilitate the immediate release of the sum of 10 billion approved for rebuilding the communities and infrastructures affected by the herders-farmers conflict to ensure prompt rehabilitation and reintegration of the traumatized victims in Benue State. Finally, further mandate the Committee on Defense to interact with the appropriate security authorities to deploy enough troops to the affected communities to strengthen security of life and properties for full disengagement of the IDP camps. I so move.
Those in favor of the motion say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it.